Hi everyone, if you've encountered the message Face ID required, stolen device protection is turned on. On your iPhone it might seem confusing or even alarming, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step to resolve this issue. Let's dive in. Open Settings and navigate to Face ID and passcode. Tap on it. Scroll down and find stolen device protection and check if the away from familiar location option is selected. If it is, try turning off stolen device protection. You'll need to keep tapping try Face ID again multiple times until the passcode option appears. If you're lucky, you'll be able to turn it off and reset Face ID. If always is selected or the try again method doesn't work, you'll need to take more drastic steps. The only reliable solution is to erase all content and settings on your iPhone. Don't worry, your data can be restored afterward. Connect your iPhone to a computer and create a complete backup using iTunes or Finder on your PC or Mac. This ensures you won't lose any data during the process. On your iPhone, go to the settings, General, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Confirm by entering your passcode and Apple ID credentials. The device will reset to factory settings, removing all personal files and installed apps. After the reset, reconnect your iPhone to the computer where you create the backup. Use iTunes or Finder to restore your data. Once the process is complete, the stolen device protection will be turned off. Face ID will be reset, allowing your setup a new Face ID without any issues. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.